Yo. Let's do this. You've had a problem with me since the day I was born. But personalities got me drowning in torn. My cheeks are slighted and warm, I can't handle the norm. Sometimes I wish I would've stayed away at the dorms, cause all these motherfuckers say they got a problem with me. But that's only after they get done smiling at me right to my face, spraying lies all over the place. Not the most patient guy, but you just wasted the grace that I had. Now it's over and I'm past all these childish little games. Y'all can kiss my ass. This goes for everyone I know, from A to Z. Not one of you can stop me from being me and being me. That's about all I see when I'm hitting up these books so I can get a degree. You see, I'm focused now. You hocus pocus now, cause you vanished from my thought and I said it's over now. I'm not trying to be mean, but if the shoe fits, wear it. I spit gold like my balls were made from 6 carats. You scared like 6 pairs. To talk, it's not fair shit. If you know something about me, man, I really wish you share it. I'm just fed up with it all, I'm shutting it off. You know my phone's pissing me off, and if I get another call from the likes of you all, I swear to God I'll cut some motherfucking paint off these walls. Cause every day these people got a fucking problem with me, asking all these questions, why are you bothering me? I don't do shit for you, so don't even holler at me, cause I'm working for these dollars, you ain't following me. Cause every day these people got a fucking problem with me, asking all these questions, why are you bothering me? I don't do shit for you, so don't even holler at me, cause I'm working for these dollars, you ain't following me. You claim to famous masculinity, like really G, sit the fuck down and read a book. You're killing me, can you even read the fucking lyrics while I'm dissing thee? Do what coming last at a 3rd grade spelling bee. I'm not having it, my thoughts are so past it that I could just grab my demons and just place them up in a little box and just stab it. Cause if I had it, then my passion would get padded, and that would backfire and detract my inspire. I'm playing kickback and PlayStation, my thoughts are fucking racing, and I'm just placing myself above this hatred. You know I can't take it, attacking every person that's acting out of place. Cause kids these days don't trust a soul in the face, cause we play these games that play us back with grace. Break the sacred bank just for some stray and some strange. I stay so amazed when each and every day these teens act so mean, cause all they feeling green, cause their moms and dads are acting so obscene. They feel the pressure of life beating down on their necks, so they selling their souls and themselves to that check. They won't respect, they all want what's best, but this pressure and stress eats away at the best. But I guess we all gotta handle our shit. We keeps it real or we calls it quits. Why? Cause every day these people got a fucking problem with me, asking all these questions, why are you bothering me? I don't do shit for you, so don't even holler at me, cause I'm working for these dollars, you ain't following me. Cause every day these people got a fucking problem with me, asking all these questions, why are you bothering me? I don't do shit for you, so don't even holler at me, cause I'm working for these dollars, you ain't following me.